What if the next device you use every day isn't a phone? No giant screen, no endless scrolling, no dozens of apps fighting for your attention. Just one tiny gadget powered by AI that helps you instantly. Sounds futuristic? It's already happening. And some experts believe these tiny AI gadgets could become the next big tech trend in the US. For years, smartphones controlled everything. We used them for work, entertainment, shopping, maps, messages, everything. But now, people are getting tired. Too many notifications, too much screen time, too many distractions. And that's exactly why a new wave of gadgets is getting attention right now. Small AI devices built to save time and simplify life. So what are tiny AI gadgets? They're small, smart devices you can carry in your pocket, wear on your body, or place in your home. Instead of opening apps and typing everything manually, you simply ask the device what you need. Some examples include AI pins, pocket assistants, smart earbuds, voice gadgets, and smart glasses with built-in AI. These gadgets can answer questions, translate languages, summarize notes, remind you of tasks, and even help with directions. Think of them as mini personal assistants, always ready. So why is this trend growing now? Because AI has improved fast. A few years ago, voice assistants were limited. They misunderstood commands and gave weak answers. But now, modern AI can hold conversations, understand context, and give useful responses in seconds. At the same time, people want less screen time. Many Americans are looking for ways to stay productive without staring at their phones all day. That creates the perfect moment for tiny AI gadgets, fast help, hands-free use, less distraction. Now imagine real life. You're driving and ask for directions without touching your phone. You're in a meeting and your AI device records notes, then gives you a summary later. You're traveling and it translates conversations instantly. You're shopping and it compares products before you buy. You're busy and it reminds you about tasks, appointments, and deadlines. For students, workers, travelers, and creators, these gadgets can save serious time. But let's be honest, they're not perfect. There are big concerns. Privacy. If a gadget is always listening or recording, how safe is your data? Battery life. Can a tiny device last all day? Price. Will people pay hundreds of dollars for another gadget? Accuracy. Even smart AI can still make mistakes. And the biggest question, do people really want another device when they already have a smartphone? So, will tiny AI gadgets replace phones? Probably not anytime soon. Phones are still powerful, convenient, and deeply connected to daily life. But tiny AI gadgets don't need to replace phones to win. They only need to do one thing better: make life easier. And if they can save time, reduce distractions, and help people instantly, millions may start using them, not as a replacement, but as the next device people can't live without. The smartphone changed the world, but the next big tech revolution might be smaller than we expected. Would you use one of these gadgets, or is your phone still enough?